trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record.
Okay guys, so I am back and I have let my hair air dry and these are the results. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole Janae. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my November 2018 curl box. So if you're interested in seeing what I got and my thoughts, then keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. This is the curl box right here. And when you open it up, goodies are inside. Get these pamphlets. So let's take a look. So before I go over what I received in a box, I want to tell you a little bit about Curlbox. So Curlbox is a monthly subscription. It's $20 a month and the shipping is actually $5. So a total of $25 and you get curly hair products delivered to your doorstep. The products are supposed to be hand selected and exclusive. If you know anything about curly hair products or natural hair products, they're very expensive. So the fact that you're able to get 4 to 5 full-size products of natural hair care for a total cost of $25, that is a steal. Definitely the value of the box for the monthly cost, it's a no-brainer. So this is actually my third box and I'm still pleased with the subscription. Then now let's get into the box. So the first thing that I see is a Natural Fusions exclusive offer. Save 40% on Natural Fusions DIY oil kits at Palmer'S.com. This is actually a Palmer'S product. And I was very interested when I saw it because when you think of Palmer'S, you think of cocoa butter. And I didn't even know that Palmer'S actually had a natural hair care line. And that's one thing that I'm seeing with my curl box. I'm definitely learning more about the natural hair brands that are out there and new lines that I, like I said, didn't even know had natural hair care. And then the code to get 40% off is actually Curlbox. You can see it there. The next thing we have is, hey curl friend, tell us what you think. Each month we pick a random winner of a secret prize if you tag us with hashtag Curlbox showing your products or styles on Instagram. The next thing I see is this card here and it tells me everything about the actual products. see it there. The cleanser, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, hair mask, and some hair oil and some other bundles. So it's giving me a breakdown of what's in the box. Each curl box has a theme. So this is the front of the card. And this is the Curlbox art issue. Here's what the inside looks like. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna dive right in and go over the products. Here they are. So the first product that I tried on my hair was the Rose Water Cleanser. It says that it's a clarifying shampoo, gently purifies and nourishes hair. This is it right here. Okay, so when I saw that this was a clarifying shampoo, I was a little bit nervous, mainly because I don't normally use shampoo on my hair. If I want to clarify my hair, I normally reach for a clay mask or apple cider vinegar, and I may use shampoo like every couple months because I find that shampoo is very stripping and very drying to my hair. But I did want to use all of the products in the curl box to give you guys an honest review. Now, I am very happy to report that this did definitely get my scalp clean. My hair actually felt moisturized after I used it. It didn't really feel stripped of everything like how clarifying shampoos tend to do. So I was definitely pleasantly surprised. So I will definitely be using this product again. Guys, this product is huge. Like, it's a 12 full ounce container, and like I said, since I use shampoo like every couple months or so, this will last me for a long time. Normally when I buy shampoo at the end of the year, I still have some left. So I'm gonna add this to my collection, and when I don't have time to do my clay mask and I'm gonna need to, and my hair feels like it needs to be cleansed, I will reach for this shampoo. The next thing I went in with was the Lavender Rose Water Conditioner. It says hydrating repair, replaces lost moisture and softens hair. And this is it right here. And I can honestly say that this was not my favorite product in the box. It probably was my least favorite product. It really has a very soft scent. All the products have a very soft lavender scent, so it's not overwhelming, so that is a plus. But normally, even if I use a clarifying shampoo or shampoo in general, normally when I go in with the conditioner, it does instantly soften my hair. So I did work this product through, and I used quite a lot of it. This is also 12 full ounces, and I used about, I would say, over half of the bottle. And it's because I couldn't detangle my hair with this. I prefer my conditioners to have a lot of slip, and I finger detangle. So what that means is I don't use any combs or brushes while detangling my hair. I just use these hands. So I definitely need products with a lot of slip, and this doesn't have a lot of slip. So I actually had to use a lot of product and really coat my hair to do my normal finger detangling process. And something that normally takes me about 10 minutes took more like 30 minutes. And my hair was pretty detangled beforehand. It hadn't been that many days since I had did a wash day routine, only like 2 or 3 days, and I normally go about a week in between washing. So yeah, I don't know if the shampoo tangled my hair more than what I thought it did, and then the conditioner couldn't really do its job, or what. But my hair, after I rinsed this product out, to me, honestly, it didn't feel very much different than when I had initially rinsed the shampoo out. So next, I went in with the chia seed and argan oil hair mask that's supposed to deeply repair and boost hydration. This is it. And this is actually my favorite product in the box. guys, I put this on my hair, covered it up with a plastic cap, and let this sit in for about 30 minutes. When I took that cap off and rinsed my hair out, my curls were popping. It was so moisturizing and my favorite product that initially I was gonna go in and use a little bit of the conditioner as a leave-in, because I needed something like a cream or leave-in conditioner to do my twist out. But since I prefer this product and my curls seem to really like it, I actually use this as my leave-in. I know it says deep conditioner, and guys, I used a lot of it. I used a lot of it to deep condition my hair because I feel like the regular conditioner didn't really soften my hair. So when I say I was generous and used a lot of this product, I was generous. Let me show you how much product I actually have left. This is it. And this container was actually full when I started. So I used this to deep condition, and I also used this as a leave-in on my hair. And as you can see, my hair dries soft. The curls are bouncy. It works really, really well. It was really white when I put it on, but I was confident that it would dry clean, and it did dry clean. Which brings me to my leave-in. The leave-in is it says smooth, comb through, and detangling, but the leave-in is like water based leave-in, and it's like, you know, just like a little spray. And so we're in winter time and it's cold outside, so I knew something like this spray, and here it is right here, was not going to give me the moisture that I needed. So I definitely was gonna have to go in with a conditioner. And like I said, I wanted to use just the Natural Fusions product. I didn't want to pull out any of my go-to leave-in conditioners. I wanted to use what I had. So I knew I had to use one of the other conditioners as a base for this spray. And that's why you see me in the video going in with the deep conditioner and then the spray. Now the spray also says that you can use on damp or towel dried hair with products on ends or throughout. And it also says that you can use this on dry hair as well. So I'm excited to continue to use this. I really feel like this is also a pretty good product, and I can see myself using this instead of water to refresh my second and third day hair. So I really, like I said, I really enjoyed this product as well. But the only product that, like I said, is the star of this whole box is definitely this deep conditioner, and when I run out of this, I will definitely repurchase. And then the last product in the box is the hair food oil, nourishes and fuels hair and scalp. This is it right here. And the oil is very lightweight. It is so lightweight. I see that it has grapeseed oil in here and avocado oil in here, coconut oil, a lot of good ingredients. And I also wanted to point out that all of their products have this situation right here. Can you see that? So no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no gluten. I mean, just really great natural products. Now I used this oil when I was doing my twist out. It's the final product, and then before I fluffed this hair out, I also coated my hands with this oil to take down my twist and also to fluff my hair out. This is very, very lightweight. I really enjoyed this product as well. So to sum this up, the Curlbox for November of 2018, I really enjoyed it. I have some standout products. Definitely this oil is very light, added shine, wasn't heavy. Again, I keep saying it because I really love this product so much. This is a star, the hair mask, and then this is gonna be good. And these products are really nice size products, so this is gonna last me a minute. Now this is just my first impression of these products. I only tried these products one time for the very first time on camera, and I'm coming back the next day showing you my hair and also telling you what my first impression is of these products. But like I said, these are definitely products that I will try again. And these are products, this is the product that I will repurchase. You guys see I use so much of it and I'm almost out. So I'll be picking this up very, very soon.